On Monday morning, over 100 ethnic Mongolians gathered in Xinhua Square in the center of Hohhot, the capital of Inner Mongolia in northeast China. They were protesting the killings of 2 Mongolians 5 days ago by Han Chinese, and more broadly, the long-simmering resentment over Beijing's governance of the resource-rich region. At one point, the police and protesters faced off, men in fatigues chanting, "Maintain social stability," and protesters chanting, "Let them go," referring to protesters who were previously detained. The protest took place under enormous official scrutiny, suggesting that the authorities were intent on avoiding the ethnic mayhem that struck other areas of China in past years, most notably Tibet and Xinjiang. After a little over an hour, riot police started dragging away demonstrators, and the crowds quickly melted away.